You want colors like this, am I right? I'm right. WeatherWash just takes 3 easy steps: prep, stain, and top coat. All you'll need is 80 grit sandpaper, WeatherWash wood stain, a brush, and a rag. Sand the wood to prepare for the wood stain. Make sure to sand in the direction of the wood grain. After sanding comes staining. I'm using WeatherWash Pined. Be sure to apply a generous coat of stain. Let the stain dry for 1 hour. Sometimes I need my projects to be a little bit lighter or a little bit darker. I use WeatherWash toners, maintenance oil white or maintenance oil clear. The toner is brush on, wipe off. Allow the toner to soak into the wood and remove the excess. The longer the toner is on, the more it will do its job. Put the toner on, wait 3 minutes, and wipe until you see the wood grain or the excess stain is no longer visible. You can use toners with frames, dressers, cabinets, and more. Whatever you do, you'll need a top coat. We have 2 options: varnish and polyurethane. You can use varnish for projects like cabinets. You use polyurethane for projects that need your toughest protection, like floors. I want top grade protection, so I'm using polyurethane. Let the top coat dry for 2 hours. This looks really good. This is an indoor project, but if you need outdoor protection, use exterior wood sealer. Make it yours with WeatherWash. Get it today at weatherwashcoatings.com, where you can get information on all of our products and find project ideas for every stain color.